It's time for another hot edition of Kasi Cars, and as you can hear right next to me, it's really going down. That's because there's some spinners, and I was checking out some of them, and I saw a lady that is very worthy of spinning, and I think you guys would meet her. Let's go check it out. Hello.
Hello.
Are you the young lady that I just saw spinning?
Yes, I am.
Hi, my name's Sbuda.
I'm Allison.
Allison.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
You're 15. What do you guys know? You're out here in clubs, popping bottles. She's popping tires at 15. How long have you been spinning?
About a year and 8 months.
A year and 8 months. Now, how did you get into spinning?
Well, one day my dad was teaching one of his friends, and I was just like, it looks very fun, and I was like, let me do that, and then I did it.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that.
And what do you love about it?
When I'm in the car, I just feel that I'm myself, and that I really like other people smiling. So as soon as I spin, I always smile, and then I just feel happy and confident, and then I know that I can make others happy.
You know, you had quite a bit of a fan base who were chanting for you. You definitely made them smile. I am now with Roger, who is Ellie's father, the originator of Team Ellie. Roger, how did you feel when Ellie came to you and said that she wanted to start spinning?
Very good. And I put it in the car. It was like natural.
Wow.
Just the first time. And she was doing the thing.
Yeah.
In bloom, on a track. And I did get out and I said, no, it was in the blood.
Tell me more about this car. Is this your car?
Well, this is my Goldust. This is my one and only baby.
And it's your car?
Yes, it's mine.
When you are out there spinning, how do people perceive you? Like, you know, your friends and family, how did they receive you?
Well, I just want to say that I'm really thankful for the support that my family gives me, and my friends, they're really awesome. Shout out to the Taylor gang. And I just want to say thank you to my stuntman. He's really amazing. He's been there for me since before spinning, but like there are people that are not really with me and like against it, but I take all the negatives out and I think about the positive and why I'm doing it for myself.
What do you guys think of the spin fest happening?
We think that is a cool thing that has been happening. Yes.
Most awesome event ever, yo. The girls, yo, they're messing up there, bro. Yo, you gotta watch it, you gotta be here, bro.
So they're cleaning up the guys, huh?
Yeah, yo,
Yes.
big time. Like Allison, do you see her getting out of the car doing stunts? She rocks.
So what do you think of female spinners?
I think of female spinners is growing. Females are.
So you see more female spinners when you go out to these events?
Yeah.
Yes, we see many female spinners like Allison, Stacy, Sarah, and Kayla.
So what did you think of Team Ellie? I mean, she was here just now. What did you think?
Team Ellie is doing great now. She wants to prove that she can spin like a man.
I'm chilling with the stuntman of Team Ellie. My brother, what's your name?
I'm Twaxi, aka Boyka, Ellie Stuntman.
What does it mean to be a stuntman? What is your specific function?
To me, a stuntman is like bringing the light to a spark. So I bring the show to the game to Ellie.
Yeah. So you bring out her full potential.
Yes.
Well, and how do you achieve that?
By simply jumping out of the car, running over the car, and just helping her with stunts.
And how do you feel about being on the passenger of a car that's been driven and spun by a 15-year-old?
With her, I feel safe, you know. I'm fearless when I'm with her.
Okay, now I don't know how to spin Elliot, so I'd like you to show me what I need to do to spin. Is that okay?
Okay, it's cool.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we start our car. Okay, you put your in first gear.
Got it.
Okay. You put your handbrake down.
Okay.
Okay, you know. And as soon as you want to start, your clutch is in.
Yeah.
And you rev the car about over 4,000, 5,000 revs.
Okay.
And then you let go of your clutch extremely quickly, and then but your steering wheel must be in the direction that you want to spin.
Okay.
If you would like to change direction, you either press your clutch or tap your petrol, and you change your steering direction.
So what can we expect from you in the next 5 years? What can we expect in the near future?
I would like, if I could, raise enough money and make my own spinning academy for girls. And I'd like to teach every girl that would like to do it.
Wow.
And then, yeah.
Wow, okay. And are you going to be spinning again today?
Yes, I am. Most definitely.
I'll look out for you.
Okay, cool. Thank you.